Hare Krsna, Dandavat pranam from Vrindavan. Today I will show you the Sabji recipe taught by Srila Prabhupad. This recipe is very simple, but the nutritional value is very high and the taste is just great. We start with deep frying of 2 potatoes, which was cut into large pieces with an edge of 3-4 centimeters. Such large pieces won't be done completely, so later on we will stew them in the sauce. Do not cook it till it gets dark. This color is just okay. Put it in a colander to drain the oil. Now fry large pieces of eggplants and paneer. The edges of these pieces should be around 5 centimeters. Fry well till it gets dark brown and also place it into a colander. Now we are doing the masala. Fry the cumin seeds for 20 seconds and add the tomatoes. Then add turmeric, ground coriander, ground cumin and asafoetida. Put a little bit of red pepper and pour all this with the milk whey remaining after preparing the paneer. This is an answer to a question of how one can use the milk whey. Add potatoes and salt the sauce. Next we add eggplants and paneer. Close the lid and cook until the potatoes and paneer are softened. Since the paneer is deep fried, now it's necessary to stew it until it gets soft. When it's ready, sprinkle the dish with fresh coriander, and it's done. Srila Prabhupada taught the best recipes to his disciples. Bon appetit! Thank you very much for supporting our life in Raja with your donations, helping to make these videos for you. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell so as not to miss new interesting videos. It was Manjari from Vrindavan. See you again. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krsna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma, Hare Hare. Hare Krsna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma.